Well, here we're looking at GLD on the weekly. I think it's sometimes important to kind of go back into that direction in the longer term and kind of see how it's shaping up. Especially sometimes you get this on the shorter time frames, get a lot of noise and it's harder to see clearly what's going on. But we've been seeing some divergence to the upside as prices been trying to go, see it going lower. But overall, it's been holding this 110 level. I think that that's very important range. If we break the 110 level, I think we'll easily go easy to 100 and maybe even 90, 91. I would watch for that potential. We still are in this downward trend. We're just seeing counter moves, and as I said, I don't think we're completely done with this move, and we could see some further action there. When we go to the daily, you could see still some significant momentum to the downside, and it's just not able to really sustain that move past the 120 to 122. That's going to be really, I think, a very important range. If it's going to break out, you have to watch for that move. On the short term, it's been trying to hold up over the 50-day moving average, but I'd be pretty concerned here for the longs at this range. I just think there's a lot of risk for not a lot of reward to the upside in it yet, and it's just not very clear on the trend. I think very likely you could have the resuming of the trend to the downside. It's had a a pretty good extension, but I still think that you're still subject to some potential retest here, especially the fact we're seeing still momentum to the upside. We're not showing any divergence just yet. We also saw prices kind of break through significant lows, and I don't know if we're just quite there yet, but traders need to be mindful. Any significant breakthrough, the say 124 level, we may be seeing some longer term change in trend, but as you can see, that comes into the trend line from the tops here. So again, it's this target could be a short-term target. It still can run sideways in a longer-term channel. So keep in mind that we're not quite. It's very difficult to the upside to be confident there.